Good afternoon, it's Nick with First Class Home Inspection, your trusted home inspector. We are in Sun City. Home was built in 1975, has been recently flipped. So going around the foundation, we found a couple things and I want to take a look.
So they've upgraded the bathrooms and made some modifications so you can see where they've chunked out the concrete. Let's get over here, we've got a vent pipe. And what do we got? We have water coming out of that vent pipe, behind the siding, down on the ground. But obviously as water's coming down here, we're gonna cause significant damage. It's just gonna rot out this, so this needs to be plugged right here. I mean, it's just pouring out water because the sink's on inside the house. So as the sink in the master bathroom is coming, this is what we have. So just because a house looks nice, it's been recently modified, we want to make sure we get a home inspection, because these are the kind of things that we find because the flipper doesn't know what they're doing.
Can't stress enough, don't skip the home inspection. Call us at First Class Home Inspection, 623-680-0707, firstclasshomeinspections.com, and we'll see you next time. Thank you.